Welcome back, everybody. So today is Friday, and guess what? We're taking off early from this place, which is controlled chaos at best some days. Miss Daisy's here. So we're gonna get, holy shit, we're just going for one day.
Don't give me grief.
It's a good thing we got a station wagon.
We got plenty of room.
So anyway, we're gonna load up and we're going to, it's called Classics. All the doors are locked. So we're going to, it's called Classics Around the Square. And it's in Emory, Texas. About an hour and a half, right?
And it's their 26th.
You're right, 26th anniversary. So it's put on downtown Emory, Texas, around the square. They're expecting somewhere between 300 and 400 cars this year, and we're going to go the back way getting there. So our drive will be an hour and a half to 2 hours. So as soon as everything's loaded, we're going to be hitting the road in the Shaggin wagon, and we'll catch up with y'all. Oh, so they have this kickoff party on Friday night. I've never been to this car show before. So they have this kickoff party on Friday night. It's at a place called Sidekicks, and they give out door prizes. They say every entry gets a door prize. It's kind of a little honky-tonk restaurant, bar, grill place, so we may do a little boot scooting while the night's going on and get some food. And then I understand that they say you need to get up around 5 in the morning. Shh.
What?
She's listening.
What?
They say you gotta get up early if you want a good place to park, especially that has shade. So we'll see how tonight goes, and that'll depend on how tomorrow morning goes. So stay with us, and we'll catch up with you back at the car show. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that Drewski, our YouTube guy, young guy that's doing our YouTube, so he's coming also, bringing the family 57, but he's not leaving with us because he's got to go home and load the trailer queen on a trailer to make it that hour drive. But we'll catch up with him later tonight also. So we're in the big town of, what did I say, Point, Texas. You have basically, oh wait a minute, did you blink? You missed it. That was it. So we've made it to Emory. We're at the outskirts. It's not too bad. It's been what, about an hour? We made pretty good time. It's kind of hard to hear in the car here, but what? Huh? Uh-oh, they must have heard us coming. Oh, that's an ambulance. There's the Hootens Hardware, Farm and Garden, tractor plowing, seed planting store. So we made it to the Emory Car Show. We got here at 5:30 this morning before it was dark, and this parking lot was already full. There were people that came in last night and started getting parking spaces. We're going to take a walk through. Let's see what's here.
have your attention, please? Would Ronnie Willis please come up to the tent? Ronnie Willis.
For 10 minutes and haven't made it all the way around the square yet. And there are cars parked out on these side streets behind me, all the way around the square. You can't really hear me because of all the music they got going on, which we have to dub over all that. They're parked down here on the side streets even. They're expecting over 400 cars.
We'd also like to thank some more of our sponsors, Robert's Cycle and Sound, Hotrod by JSK.
Comes our buddy Sean in the 34 sedan, the purple and white one. And then a good friend of mine, Dwight, and his little rowdy Hemi Cuda. This is how they're supposed to sound. we're way back here in this back parking lot. We're that far away from the court building. And you can see how far you can see how far back here these cars are. Way over here on the side street. Way back here. Here's a car we built back in mid 2000s, 2006, 2007.
I'm sleeping okay. The 27's my car. I can get him out. You just see me cheer. That way, like they make you play, you know. Well, there's something from the kids' school.
Got them parked down his side street. They're gonna have to build a bigger town. So this little Mustang was built by JSK Hotrods out of Cumbie, Texas.
Combine. Based out of Sulphur Springs, between Sulphur Springs and Greenville. I've been to his shop too. So I left him 6-star tide. That's down. Here he is.
Hi, I'll get my wallet out of the chair. It's just actually no. My wallet's just laying in the chair. I see.
Thanks for joining us here at the Classics Around the Square here in Emory, Texas. They had 349 cars. Great time, a little warm, but other than that, you can see some of the cars leaving on the way. And the nice thing is that most of these cars were driven here. So stay tuned for the next coming video and hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for joining us.